All right, so we're going to head into a first section of geometry here, which is with measuring segments. So the segment addition postulate states that the distance from A to B plus the distance from B to C gives you the entire distance from A to C. Okay, so in this case, if PN, the whole length, is 29 and MN is 13, then P to M is the distance, so it's 29 minus 13, which is 16. Okay, if P to N is 34, and then M to N is 19, then I have 34 minus 19, which gives me 15. If P to, cross this out, if P to M is equal to 19, and then M to N is equal to 23, then 19 plus 23 gives me 42. Okay, so now it's basically the segment addition postulate. Okay, here if I look at this one, U to W is M, W to X is Y plus 14. So an expression for U to X would be M plus Y plus 14. Okay, just so that we're clear. We can do equations and stuff like that, and that would work out. Okay. Looking at midpoints here, if I have U to V and W is the midpoint, so here's U to V, W is the midpoint. If U to W is X plus 23 and W to V is 2X plus 8, and W is the midpoint, then that means that these two are equal to each other. So X plus 23 is equal to 2X plus 8. So then subtract X from both sides. 23 is equal to X plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides, and X is equal to 15. Okay. Once you find out what X is, you could always use X. Like if I were to solve any of these other ones, I could use X and plug it back in here, and I would get the distance from V to W, and then I can plug X into the other one and get the distance from U to W. Okay. All right, so now we're going to try some of these on our own. This stuff is pretty, like it seems pretty straightforward. And so I don't, I'm going to go through a couple of these. As you guys are going through it, if by some chance you're struggling still with this and you'd like, some additional help, just go ahead and send me a message, and I will figure out how to get you guys some more examples. Okay, but I'm going to do I want you to do 1, 2, 3, and let's do 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 7. So go ahead and pause the video and take a look at those questions for me. All right, so we're back. If G to H is 31 and H to I is 11, then what's the entire distance? Is 31 plus 11, which is 42. Okay. If G to H is 45 and G to I is 61, then what is H to I? So that will be 61 minus 45, which is 16. Okay. If G to H is 7y plus 3, H to I is 3y minus 5, and G to I is 9y plus 7, what's the value of y? So 7y plus 3, H to I is 3y minus 5, and there should not have been a line here. You're using this image up here. Okay. is equal to g to I, which is 9y plus 7. Okay. So 10y plus nothing is equal to 9y plus 7. So when I subtract 9y from both sides, I get y is equal to 7. Oh wait, I messed up somewhere. 3y minus 5, I'm sorry. So there should be a minus 2 here. So I get y, there's a 2. Okay, y minus 2 is equal to 7. So I add 2 to both sides and I get, oh my goodness, y is equal to 9. Okay, so y is equal to 9, so I want to find g to h, which is plugging 9 in here. So g to h is 63 plus 3, which is 66. I just want to make sure I'm doing this right. H to I, which is 3 times 9 minus 5, so that's 27 minus 5, which is 22. And then 81 plus 7 is 88. So G to I is 9 times 9 plus 7, which is 88. Okay? All right, one last one. Well, it's a two-parter, but... All right, so let's take a look at... this one here. Let's look at, sorry, I have my updates that are trying to pop up right now and I'm trying to cancel them. Okay, so S to T is 3x plus 3 and T to U is 2x plus 9. And what I'm trying to do is find the value of S to T and T to U. This is their midpoints because of the way that they are on the number line, so these are equal to each other. So that I subtract 2x from both sides, and I get x plus 3 is equal to 9. Subtract 3 from both sides, and I get x is equal to 6. So then I plug in my 6 in for my x, and I get 18 plus 3, which is 21. And because it is a midpoint, B is also, the distance from T to U is also 21. Okay? All right, and that is it for this lesson.